Hello everyone, tie the hairs into 6 sections and join them by making the plaits on the alternative sides. Now fold it on the each side like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. On the back, divide the hairs into 3 sections. Now make a triangle by joining them and then fix it on the sides on the upper section. Now fix the ribbon and make the plaits. Fold the hairs, fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and then divide it. Fix it on the top and then roll it using the hairstyling tool like this and fold it and spread the hairs and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and then join them like this on the back. Make the plaits and fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into small sections like this. Now fold them upward by making a triangle and then make the plaits. Fold it to make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fix the bun making stick on it and then roll the hairs around it. Now fold it upward and fix it. Make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and fix it. Now, by making bun making tool, we will fix the hairs and roll it upward. Fix the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and then on the right side, divide the hairs like this into small sections, join them and take it to the left side. Divide it and make a bow like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs like this by leaving small sections, join them one by one and take it to the top. Now make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.